Wales is said to be the most haunted country in the world, and this is where I find out if it's true or not.
The frosty earth and hazel hedge she views from bedroom cell. Rain pipes bubbling in her ears fill up her prison hell. Her friends, the birds, grow old and die as she counts the years away, whispering in the blackness and shouting in the grey. Little goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Gazing at your beauty is where I want to be. The door slams shut, the man is gone, the key is in his hand. Alone again she wanders in her awful little land. No bed tonight, my little maid, as you wake for break of day, whispering in the blackness and shouting in the grey. Little goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Staring at your beauty is where I want to be.
There are so many places in Wales that have reported sightings, ghosts, the paranormal. But can they all be untrue? I really don't know, but I visited a well in North Wales on the island of Anglesey, and I went to a fountain, a spring dedicated to a 6th century saint, St. Cyril. I met a man there who says he's looked in the well, saw his reflection with a beard. He hasn't got a beard.
Light and freshness through the windows of her cell. The hissing logs and barking dogs with stranger tales to tell, of sounds beyond the wilderness. But why will they not say and whisper in the blackness and shout in errant grey? Little goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Lusting at your beauty is where I want to be. No escape for you, young maid, as the key is with the man. Dream your dreams of freedom and live them if you can. Eternity is never, never is no day. Shouting in the blackness and whispering in the grey. Little goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Aching for your beauty is where I want to be. For you are here forever in the world where I am king. The key is mine, the room is yours, this song is ours to sing.
This probably is my favourite place out of all the hundreds I've visited, but that doesn't necessarily mean I would spend the night here.
Dogs and barking dogs with stranger tales to tell, of cells beyond the wilderness, but why will they not say